Good day! The quiz has 25 items, and for each item, you are given 15 seconds to answer. Kindly observe silence while taking the quiz. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Question number 1. 1 plus 2 equals blank. Number 2. 2 plus 2 equals blank. Question number 3. 3 plus 2 equals blank. Question number 4. 1 plus 3 equals blank. Number 5. 3 plus 3 equals blank. Question number 6. 3 plus 2 equals blank. Question number 7. 2 plus 2 equals blank. Number 8. 4 plus 2 equals blank. Question number 9. 4 plus 1 equals blank. Number 10. 2 plus 3 equals blank. Number 11. 0 plus 3 equals blank. Question number 12. 5 plus 3 equals blank. (13) 5 plus 4 equals blank. Number 14. 5 plus 1 equals blank. Number 15. 5 plus 2 equals blank. Number 16. 5 plus 5 equals blank. Number 17. 5 plus 2 equals blank. One plus 2 equals blank. 19. 1 plus 6 equals blank. 20. 1 plus 2 equals blank. 21. 3 plus 7 equals blank. 22. 1 plus 2 equals blank. 23. 2 plus 5 equals blank. 24. 1 plus 6 equals blank. 25. 1 plus 7 equals blank. 'Congratulations! This is the end of the quiz. Now it's time to check your answers. Be honest in checking your papers. The perfect score is 25 over 25. Here they are. Question number 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Number 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Question number 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Question number 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Number 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Question number 6. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Question number 7. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Number 8. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Question number 9. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Number 10. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Number 11. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Question number 12. 5 plus 3 equals 8. $13. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Number 14. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Number 15. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Number 16. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Number 17. 5 plus 2 equals 7. One plus 2 equals 3. $19. 1 plus 6 equals 7. $20. 1 plus 2 equals 3. $21. 3 plus 7 equals 10. $22. 1 plus 2 equals 3. $23. 2 plus 5 equals 7. $24. 1 plus 6 equals 7. $25. 1 plus 7 equals Congratulations! This is the end of the quiz. Now, count all your correct answers and write down your score on the upper right-hand corner of your answer sheet. The perfect score will be 25 over 25. Congratulations!